Okay, say hi.
Hi.
My name is Jeff. Hello.
Hello.
We're gonna do an unboxing today. Lizzie's gonna help me. This is the box that we're gonna open because she already put open on it. Now, I'm gonna make sure, I'm gonna sit down so that I make sure my head's in the frame. Okay, so this box came from TSP. If you guys know what that is, you'll know it's good stuff inside.
Oh, let's go this way.
Okay, go that way. If you're gonna walk behind the camera, make sure that my head's in, not getting cut off. Right. Good. Okay. So I'm not sure if this is the bottom or the top, because honestly, they both look the same. They're heavy. It's a heavy box. Heavy parts. Okay. I almost forgot the golden rule. Don't cut towards your chum, not your thumb.
Some.
Yes, this is the list. It's supposed to be in that box, the invoice. Parts. Okay? Hopefully nobody gets injured.
Hopefully.
Hopefully no parts get injured.
Hopefully.
Alright, so far we have paper.
Yay.
Lots of paper. Did you get a whiff of that smell? It smells like the beach.
Smells like McDonald's.
No. Like McDonald's, yeah. Kind of like McDonald's. Alright. Whoa, paper! Paper. Okay. Oh, there's a hat. Nice.
Oh, I need a hat.
Cool. Take this one.
No. Hey, that one's sweaty.
Oh, it's not sweaty. Alright, nice. Cool. We're doing this. Yes, people, these are clothes. We bought clothes. Because the next item, woohoo! It's red. Boom.
You gotta turn it over.
Oh yeah, I have to turn it so you guys can see it.
Can I put on that?
Boom. Texas Speed and Performance. You want to put it on?
Yes.
Alright. We're going to go fast to Texas.
I'm gonna put this one.
Look at this bolt. It's huge.
It's
Okay?
huge.
We got a big bolt. One big bolt. Okay? This is for the balancer. Goes into the crankshaft. That's good to have. I believe those are single use only, the factory ones. So take the factory one off. You got to put something else on. This kind of fell out of the bag. But this is a chain. You think this chain would work on your bike?
No, it's too
No.
little.
It's too little, yeah. It's pretty thick too, eh? It is K-Tech.
Oh, it feels like
Feels like McDonald's?
yeah, feels like McDonald's.
Feels a little greasy.
It feels like, yeah, it feels greasy.
And it came out of the bottom. That's kind of interesting.
There's something that's
$160 for a chain. All right, let's move on. Valve springs. Speed and Performance. LS-based engines. Wow. Spring-em-a-things. Hey?
Whoa, what are those?
Whoa, double spring-em-a-things. Boom, boom, boing.
Boing,
You
boing.
put these under your feet and then you can bounce.
They're actually not that boingy.
No,
They're hard to
they're really hard to push, yeah. Because they're good to 660 thou lift, right? 0.66 of an inch.
I don't know what that means, but
Well, that's the distance. And these are retainers, right?
retainers.
Do you call these retainers? Yeah, titanium retainers, yeah. We've got titanium. These are titanium.
And
We got some titanium. And some velvets. Cool.
and a
So
bag.
we have that. Cool.
Bag with squares in them.
Nice.
I'm gonna open the bag, okay, Dad?
660 dual.
Can I open
Pack.
the bag?
Yeah, it says pack specs.
Can I open the bag?
Yeah, you can open the bag. Let me see. Oh, you can't open that bag. No,
You said that I could open the bag though.
because these are parts. Yeah,
These are parts?
these are parts. They're rubber gaskets for the intake manifold. I don't know if we're gonna use those. Okay. Oh, ARP stuff. Yeah. LS1 hex head bolt kit. Nice.
Okay, I gotta go. I'll be back.
Studs. Here. Oh, it's a mystery. It's a mystery. Chrome Molly. It's a mystery, but no, it's Chrome Molly. Makes a cool sound. Figure out how to open this box. Yeah. Push rods. Yeah. What do the push rods say on them? Nice. These are pretty beefy, man. And they say something on them. Yeah. They say TSP 3317. 7.8 inches. And 80 thou wall. So, those should be pretty strong. It's another box wrapped in stuff. Oh yeah. American flag Johnson lifters. These are 2110s, hydraulic roller lifters. JohnsonLifters.com. Made in the USA. Here's a big item that's plastic. You can open this bag. We're going to use these for sure.
Okay.
Every time we take them out, do a big job, we should replace them because they're plastic. Original ones are 10 years old. They're plastic. Let's put new ones in, shall we? Yeah, lifter trays. These are the lifters in this box. Go in those trays.
Trays?
They go into the engine, yeah.
Trays like at McDonald's?
Look at this.
That's
Oh my goodness. Oh, really? Cool.
Oh my. Can I open this bag?
3 ARP bolts. I believe these are for the front of the camshaft and assembly room. Okay, here's one of the big reasons why we're doing all this.
For the paper.
For the paper, do it for the views. No. This is, boom,
This is the ring. For the car. You put it on the
Camshaft.
car.
that's a ring for the car.
Yep.
Texas Speech, stage 3.2. What stage is it? What are the camshaft specs?
It's
Take a
stage
guess.
21.
24D. 240 lift. 252 lift. No, sorry, that's the duration. Get it right. Duration
You better
240,
bet.
252 on the intake and exhaust. And 657 on the lift. Right? So it's going to lift over half an inch.
This much. This
Yeah.
much, everyone.
Wow. And there's an inch. There's 650 of an inch. All right. We got more paper, but the fun is not over yet. Thanks. Thanks for helping.
We have a bunch of bags.
Black gaskets. These are for the valve covers, possibly?
And
Gaskets.
here's another one.
I think these are for the valve covers. Oh no, there's 4 of those? We'll figure it out. Oh, a valley cover gasket. We never took the valley cover off, so we might not need this. If anybody needs a valley cover gasket, put in the comments below.
Oh, there's 2.
Yeah.
Multiplied.
Multiply, yes. Now we do need 2 of those. These are header gaskets.
I don't know what that is.
The exhaust headers on the side of the cylinder heads, where we connect to the
yeah.
exhaust manifolds. And, oh, this is weird.
There's these things.
I don't think we're going to use all these parts. Oh, this is a front. 2 fronts? Are these the same? Yeah, they look the same there. I got 2 front kits. So, if you need a front kit, put your comments down below. And we have empty box. Yeah, that's it. We did it. All right. So we're doing a heads and cam package. The heads are in here. We sent them to Texas. They're gonna fix them, send it back. They're going on the Z06, 2007 Z06. Should be running pretty good. We're doing this for peace of mind. Make sure that the stock valve guides don't wear out and drop a valve. So we sent them our heads, our titanium valves. They're going to do a valve job. Add new exhaust valves.
Yep.
And stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribe to see next week's video where we start installing some of this with my buddy Sammy. All right, peace out. Okay, somebody needs to stop the camera.
I'll do that.
Oh, you can't even reach the camera.
How do I stop this thing, Dad?
How do I stop this thing?
Put all the things out.
That's a good question.
Do I just press the stop button? Throw it in?
Sorry? What was that?
That was my hat.
You just push the live view button. It says start stop.
Where?
I shouldn't have done this. I left you guys hanging. I took the box out, showed you the box, but I didn't take it out of the box. We're gonna take it out of the box for you right now. Boom! The bump stick. Oh yeah! It's going in the car. Look at that. Stage 3.2. Not stage 3, stage 3.2. Right there. Boom. Camshaft. Look at those lobes. Oh yeah, don't touch it. All right. Boom. Stop the video. We're gonna open these. Johnson lifters.
I'm coming.
You're coming?
Yes. I wanna know
Okay,
what's
be careful, I got a
inside.
knife.
I know that.
Close that up. Get that out of the way. Okay,
Get that out of
take
here.
the plastic off.
Whoa.
It smells like,
Oh, it smells like gas.
oh, paint thinner. Oh yeah.
Gas.
It smells like paint, oh, like gas. Oh man.
I'm coming. Have to come.
Oh, this is the best. These are the best. I love this stuff. Pop, 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 pop.
Oh,
the little
yes,
pop puddles.
sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, yeah.
We're gonna have to soak these in oil just to get rid of the smell. The smell is like,
Exactly.
oh, it's like dangerous.
Oh, that's really, really bad.
Oh, really bad. There's like cardboard lint on them.
Okay, can you put those
But
back?
these are roller lifters. Look, they roll.
Show the camera, not me. I don't care.
Well, I'm showing the camera. I'm on camera. No, they roll.
Oh, it really smells. Okay, put them back. Put them back.
Roller lifters.
Come back.
And there's 16 of them. Okay. Paper or packaging.
What?
So gonna put the packaging back.
Yeah, but it's not
You want me to put it back? Give me the packaging. No? No? Alright. No. This is a chain and it says K-Tech.
This is a chain. Oh.
And it is greasy. And we'll put it in that bag.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, what the heck? I guess I must have missed. I'll do it again.
Oh my gosh, there's a hole.
Yeah. Wow. Paper?
Wow.
Boom! Notice. You're on notice, Johnny.
Boom.
Notice is, this box is needed for exchange or warranty. You must have the weight, date, package number from this box for all warranty and exchange. Sticker. ARP. Automotive Racing Products. In case you didn't know what the R was for. It's racing. Why? Hashtag race car. That's why.
You know, race car spelled backwards is actually race car.
Yeah, that's right. Look over there. Boom. Whoa. All right, guys. One last thing. I did go through the paperwork and I did order a kit which included, these items, and there was second items on the list. So I did pay for both kits in extra parts that probably going to end up shipping back unless one of you wants them. So comment below. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. Thanks, Lizzie, for the audio additions there. But, woo! Alright. I don't know what to say. I'll probably do another run down to the States to pick up more parts, because I have to get the cylinder heads. And balancer is coming here. What else do I need? Thomas, what else do I need? You don't know? Alright. That's it for now.
Catch.
I'm going to end this video now. See you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe.